Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Beaver ability and Grey Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. So guys, this is one of the Easter type pets in the Easter update. And before I show you what this pet can do, I'm going to show you how you can get this pet. Okay, let me place it in my garden. Okay, if you want to get the Beaver pet, you need to go to the Easter shop right here, and you can purchase the Beaver from the Easter shop. Okay, this is the Beaver, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 2k chocolate coins. And let me go back to my garden, and now let's view the ability of this pet. Okay, every 8 minutes goes to a woody type fruit in your garden to convert it into a random wooden based building cosmetic. Ignores evaporated fruit. Okay, it can turn your woody type fruit into a cosmetic, but I think it's not really worth, because for now I don't need cosmetic for my garden, so for me it's not worth to buy. But it's up to you guys. If you need cosmetic, I think this pad will be good for you. But if you don't need cosmetic, I think you don't need to buy this pad. Okay guys, and that's all about the Beaver ability in Growing Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!